about to go on a really special journey. Do you know why?
Why?
Because we are about to go on a fully driverless car.
The driverless car without any man on it? We just
Yes,
two?
just us.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Let's see how it goes.
Yes.
Goes. Oh my
Let's
god.
see how it goes. It's like a Uber-like application. You just click on it, and then here is where we are standing. And also you can select one destination. So, well, that was easy.
It was too easy.
Yeah, it was like put.
Oh, the car is coming in 7 minutes.
Oh wow!
It's so fast.
It is nice. It says it's already sending another passenger.
Yeah.
And then after it, they will
After
take
that,
us.
it will come in 1.6 kilometers.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes,
Oh, nice.
it is. Nice.
Nice. Oh.
So now we are on the driverless car. You can press the screen. 9536. Yep.
请正确系好安全带，点击屏幕底部的按钮。
Okay, so press that one.
And then the car starts, right?
Yep. Oh. Let's go.
自动驾驶启动完成，请全程系好安全带，祝您行程愉快。
Wow. We can switch the temperatures over here. So we can control everything inside the car basically through this tablet.
Oh, we can watch
videos. So they have like several short videos you can watch. So this car doesn't require a driver. Are you curious about how the car is operated?
Yes, how? I don't know.
It's basically powered through 3 domain systems. I think the first one is called the perception domain system. The system is equipped with the radar cameras and the millimeter radar cameras. And they will pick up the surrounding areas and also the objects and obstacles around the car. So after that, it will move to another domain. The other domain is called the computational domain system, and that's where it processes all the surrounding areas and make final decisions and make actions. Yeah, and then they will deliver the signals to the next domain system, which is called the acquisition system. That's where all the actions begin, such as steering the wheels and also hitting the brakes. So it's like the eyes, the brain, and the hand and feet of a human.
My god, it's really impressive. They don't require anyone to ride the car. It's just a robot, right?
Yeah. Picking up signals real quick, and the surrounding objects is accurate. It's exactly
the same.
Yeah, it's exactly the same. You see, they can predict the signal lights. That's because it's powered through a technology called V2X, vehicle to everything. So each car is powered through a radar, and the signal lights, they have a signal transmitter, and it will send signals to our car. So the car can predict what's the next signal light is gonna be.
Interesting. But how does the car know where to get slow down?
Yes, because they will pick up the signals through the radar camera, and they will detect what's next to them. So they will draw a cloud map. After that, they will, send to the computational domains, and then it will process the information it picks up. And then they will make several decisions, such as like changing the lanes, accelerating, yes, merging, stuff like that. Pretty neat. And also, it's really a busy area. Traffic is heavy currently.
It is detecting up to 100 meters, I think. See, we can see in the screen, right?
Yeah, really.
See the cycle moving without a man. Oh my god, it's scary.
Before I was thinking, slower is safer. So I pre-assume that a driverless car will go really slow. But no,
No, it's
it's
faster
actually
than
it's
you think.
faster. Yeah. Imagine this, in the future, all the cars on the street
will driverless.
Yes, was driverless. It's actually quite space saving. You know, the one car can carry more people.
More people, yes.
Yeah, and no one will get tired. So we have finished our exciting journey. Do you like it?
Yes, it was good. It was wonderful. I saw.
We survived. We survived.
It was wonderful. I saw like how the car detected the other cars and even the cycles.
Yes. They even pick up the smallest stuff around the car.
It was wonderful, and I think it was very safe.
Yes.
Rather than,
you know, before I was a little bit nervous, but after I get inside the car, it's all behind me.
I think I'm gonna take again and again because this is the safest.
Yes, and it's also really cheap.
Yeah, very cheap.
Right?
Right.
Really cheap. Let's do it next time.
Yeah, next time. More.
Next time.
Okay, done.
Bye bye. Guess where we are at today.
I don't know, but after seeing the way while I was coming here, I was really very surprised to see a village area in Beijing. Oh my God.
This place is actually called White Tower Temple. And it's not only just a temple, it means the entire districts come along with it. And it provides us with the most authentic culture experience.
I'm quite excited to explore this entire area and
Let's
see.
go.
Let's go.
White Tower Temple is a national major historical and culture site under state protection in China. It is located in Xicheng District, Beijing. The temple is over 700 years old and was built by the famed Nepalese architect known as Arnigo in 1271 during the Yuan dynasty. The White Tower is 50.9 meters high, formed with 5 parts, and it took 8 years to complete. Now it is the largest and oldest existent Lama Tower in China. An epitaph of the Yuan dynasty described the tower this way: magnificent and grand, it bespeaks dignity and power. It's truly a rare treasure in the architectural history. So in front of us is the White Tower Temple.
Yeah.
We cannot go inside, but for worshippers, they can walk around the temple and pray for good luck and health.
The colors of this wall and the wind chime on every doors, it symbolizes that this temple has a lot to say about the fortunes. And the color is really very attractive, and the architecture is really so wonderful.
Look!
What it is?
It's a small sculpture of somebody. Maybe we should come closer and to see who he is. It says Anigo. His name is Anigo.
Okay.
That's the architecture who designed this temple.
Oh.
He is from Nepal. And he is really talented. I believe he came to China when he was 17. Really young, and he's extremely talented. So the empire back then asked him to build a temple.
Wow.
To worship the Buddhism, Beijing Buddhism.
Wow. It looks wonderful.
So crazy. The White Tower Temple is made up of 4 halls and the tower yard. The construction of the White Tower and the temple was a big part of the important project to build the capital of the Yuan dynasty. In 1979, Beijing municipal government found almost 100 pieces of valuable cultural relics, such as Buddha's hats, Buddha's robes, sutras that were granted by Emperor Qianlong of the Qing dynasty when they repaired the White Tower. So here we are in front of the souvenir shop of the White Tower Temple.
Yeah, let's go inside and check what they are selling. This one looks so beautiful. I think this one is made up of marble.
Marble.
And see how good it is They're driving the car, taking selfies, reading books.
So
beautiful.
interesting.
Wow, this is so interesting. Can you see the stamp? So I have my ticket with me and I'm gonna stamp my ticket. So I'm gonna do this. 1, 2, 3. Yay! It looks so wonderful. You can see.
Touring the White Tower in the 8th day of the lunar August had been a local folk tradition for the Beijingers. The skyscraping tower is surrounded by the sequestered and winding hutongs, which adds more charm to the area.
People also live in this area.
So this is like this also a kind of culture here?
Yes, it's a kind of culture here. Lots of local residents, and they are living in a harmonious atmosphere with all the commercial shops.
Ah, I see.
Yes, I love this city so much because it combines the old and the new.
True.
And people choose to live in the old ways. They can have a comfortable life.
They have the government has chosen both. Like they have preserved the history and they have also developed the city.
Yes.
People can come here and enjoy both.
Yes.
In Beijing,
Yeah.
the historical history
Yeah.
of this place as a village and also the modern architects of the Beijing. So Beijing has a two side, I must say, and that is quite really interesting. And I would really suggest all the people to come here and have the experience.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, see you next time.
See you.